Just when you think that the coast is clear, there in the road is a white-tailed deer.
Welcome to Bunky's Build Video.
Good news, everybody. I was able to find all the video for the headphone hanger project, so you get to see it.
For these headphone hangers, we decided to go with a deer antler for each headphones and deer head to go along with it.
After drawing it, we printed out each shape in order to cut out later.
For this project, we used scrap lumber that was already processed, planed and everything.
I went ahead and attached the paper templates with painter's tape onto the projects. I go ahead and attach the 1/4 inch bandsaw blade onto our bandsaw in order to make the finer and smoother cuts.
Then we start cutting the wood pieces the shape of the template as close to the template as possible. We started out with the ears and then the head.
I cut the antler out of an 1.5 inch piece so I could cut it in half so it would have a little bit more girth than the rest of it to hold the headphones. I take everything to the belt sander in order to remove the template. While I had the belt sander out, I went ahead and rounded over all the edges too, in order to make it so it wasn't so sharp. I'm not a big fan of sanding, and I'd prefer not to do it, but this project actually wasn't too bad. The areas that took us a long time were the detailed edges on the antlers. We sanded down both faces, and then we went ahead and went over everything with either a file or a router or something to that effect in order to try to get into the small areas. I don't claim to be a very smart person, but I ended up breaking one of the antlers and having to reattach it with a dowel rod later. The main reason was that I did not cut along the wood grain. Rather, I had side grain, making the wood very weak and brittle.
In order to make the joint stronger between the two pieces, we added a bamboo skewer to act as a dowel. Just so Tim doesn't turn a $2,000 table saw into gluing table, we got out a separate bolt to carry out our next steps. Even after using a dowel rod, we wanted to be 100% sure that the antlers will hold the headphones. So we went ahead and decided to epoxy the antlers. Then we moved on to attach the ears to the head.
After letting the antlers dry, we went ahead and flipped the antlers over and added epoxy to the other side. There's a lot of ways that I could have attached these antlers to the deer head, but I had decided on pocket holes and wood screws.
We really liked how the epoxied antlers looked, so we decided to go ahead and epoxy the whole project. This will also add strength to the entire project. The antlers work perfectly as headphone hooks. It's very convenient to take them off when you need them and very convenient to put them back on without even moving from your chair. It's an excellent project. I really enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this project. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to comment down below. Also, check us out on our social media pages. Links are in the description below.